Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll be explaining what the Capital One mobile app is and how to use it step by step. Let's get started. The Capital One mobile app is a banking and credit card management app that lets you check your account balances, pay bills or credit card payments, deposit checks using your phone camera, track spending and transactions, lock and unlock your cards instantly, and even manage rewards like cashback or travel points. Now to use it first, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Capital One on your search bar at the top of your page, and after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install. Once installed, open up your app. Sign in using your Capital One username and password. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll your account by entering your credit card or bank account information. For security, you can enable Face ID, Touch ID or a PIN for quicker logins. Once you're in, the home screen shows your credit card or bank account balances. Tap on account to view recent transactions. Use the pay bill or make payment button to pay your credit card directly. If you have rewards, tap rewards to check your cashback or miles and redeem them. The app also sends real-time alerts for purchase and payment. Tap deposit, snap photos of the front and back of your check and submit. If your card is lost, simply toggle the switch to lock it. Free credit score tracking right in the app. Send or receive money instantly with friends and family. Always keep your app updated for the latest security features. Use alerts to track spending and detect fraud quickly. Log out if you're using a shared device, and that is how you can use the Capital One mobile app. With this app, you can easily stay on top of your money anytime, anywhere. I hope you guys liked this video. Like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.